Karnataka Muslim Muttahida Mahaz met the DGP, Mr. Praveen Sood, today and apprised him of our concerns about what is happening in Naragund after the recent incidents where a Muslim youth was killed and another was severely injured. There is a situation of unease which prevails in the town still, and there are inflammatory speeches still being made. So a delegation of which I was also a part met the police commissioner today and apprised him of our concerns, and also to rein in the different mischievous elements who continue to give provocative statements in this regard. The DGP assured us that he has kept a close watch on the situation. A circle inspector has been suspended and another person also has been arrested. They are closely following the situation, and he assured the delegation that due course of action will be taken.